Kumusta mga kabayan? Ako si Ryan and welcome back to OFW Only for the Woke. Ang podcast kung saan binabasag natin ang mga maling kwento tungkol sa ating mga buhay bilang Pilipinong manggagawa sa ibang bansa. In this episode, we ask a painful question. Bakit sa kulturang Pinoy ang sukatan ng pagmamahal ay laging sakripisyo? Let me tell you a story. Christine Fadriga, a 59-year-old woman originally from Cebu, she worked as a florist for 24 years. But after a separation from her husband, she did what many of us were forced to do. She left the Philippines. Not because she wanted to, but because she had to. She flew to America, became a caregiver. She left 4 children behind. Yung punso 6 na buwan lang nung umalis siya. Yes, another story of strength, right? Another selfless mother doing what's best for her family. That's a problem mga kabayan. The toxic narrative we keep feeding ourselves. Let's be real. Christine's story, as featured in the PBS documentary Caregiving, shows how Filipino culture romanticizes sacrifice to the point of emotional neglect. Not just toward ourselves, but to the families we think we are saving. Bakit kailangang iwan ang sariling anak para sa anak ng iba? At bakit proud tayo na sinasabi natin palagi, lahat gagawin ko para sa pamilya ko? Christine took care of a woman named Betty in the US 5 days a week. She washed her, fed her, comforted her, and it took years. She was a daughter, nurse, and friend rolled into one. But her own son Miguel, she only got to spend 2 years with him after being apart for 18 years, imagine. And then 2 years later, umuwi siya. Another goodbye, another bitin na relasyon. And what did Christine do? She stayed. Kasi kailangan. Kasi she felt the need of staying because siya lang ang inaasahan. That's the thing mga kabayan. OFWs are taught to endure. We're praised for our strength, pero hindi tayo tinuturuan humingi ng tulong. Hindi tayo binibigyan ng espasyo para humina. Kung mahina tayo, ang tawag sa atin, reklamador, malambot, walang utang na loob. This is the toxic Filipino culture we need to talk about, where value is measured by how much you send, not how much you suffer. Where being a good parent means being absent but remitting cash. Where silence is strength and grief is weakness. Sabi nga ni Christine, if you don't have heart, you can't do this job. But let me add something to it. If we don't protect our hearts, this job will destroy us. So I ask you, mga kabayan, ilang Christine pa ang kailangan para matauhan tayo? Ilang pamilyang magkalayo, ilang anak na di lumaki sa yakap ng magulang, bago natin tanungin, bakit ganito ang sistema? Why is it that the Filipino caregiver is called the heart of the home in America, but is treated like an ATM back home? Hindi ito kwento lang ng isang babae. This is all of us. This is the Filipino diaspora. This is the truth behind every viral Balikbayan box unboxing. Every Instagram post with the caption, para sa pamilya. Let's stop glorifying suffering. Let's stop expecting our kababayans to carry the world on their shoulders while pretending they're okay. To Christine and to every OFW silently breaking down while smiling through video calls, this episode is for you. You are not selfish for wanting to rest. You are not weak for feeling tired. You are not a bad parent for admitting this life hurts. You are human, and we see you. This has been OFW, Only for the Woke. Kung may kwento ka katulad ni Christine o ng sarili mong laban, message us. Let's share your truth. Hanggang sa muli, ito ang OFW, Only for the Woke.